At number 5, we have DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine, the best budget super automatic espresso machine. Get ready to elevate your coffee game with the DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine. This budget-friendly option surprises with its bold aromatic espresso flavors that rival pricier models. After extensive testing, it's clear why this machine shines as the best budget super automatic espresso machine. A learning curve exists, as with many home machines, but experimenting leads to rewarding results. On our 4th attempt, we noted a robust espresso, complete with an impressive body and creamy froth. Novice baristas will appreciate how quickly they can produce great shots at home. While a built-in frother adds versatility, it requires some finesse. Powerful steam can whisk milk into excessive foam, so trial and error with water ratios will help you master it. This feature encourages creativity, allowing you to prepare delightful cappuccinos or lattes. Inconsistent shot pours reminded us of its budget-friendly nature, yet this aspect adds a layer of challenge for enthusiasts eager to hone their skills. Picky coffee drinkers will find it a fantastic stepping stone towards espresso mastery. What shines brightest in this machine is the delightful taste of espresso, which consistently impresses. Affordability meets performance, offering beginners great value. Espresso aficionados seeking a reliable entry point will enjoy everything this machine offers. Visit your local retailer today to see if the DeLonghi Stilosa espresso machine can become your new coffee companion.